Hello guys, I am from Govgras Maths Hub. I am going to discuss question number 19 that has been taken from Miscellaneous Exercise Chapter 4 Determinant NCERT 12 Mathematics. The question is, let the matrix A equal to matrix elements of first row 1 sin theta 1, elements of second row minus sin theta 1 sin theta, the elements of third row minus 1 minus sin theta 1, comma, where 0 less than equal to theta less than equal to 2 pi, comma, then option A date is equal to 0, option B date A belong to open interval 2 comma infinite open interval, option C date A belong to open interval 2 comma 4 open interval, D date A belong to close interval 2 comma 4 close interval. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implies that here you can see the matrix A is of order 3 cross 3 because in the matrix A there are 3 rows, first row, second row and third row, and also there are 3 columns, first column, second column, third columns. That's why the matrix A is of order 3 cross 3. That's why matrix A is a square matrix. So here I shall write given that matrix A equal to elements of first row 1 sin theta 1 minus sin theta 1 sin theta minus 1 minus sin theta 1. This is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. So here I shall write, since the matrix A is of order 3 cross 3, 3 cross 3. That's why 3 cross 3. Hence, A is a square matrix. Then date A is possible. The matrix A is a square matrix because the matrix A is of order 3 cross 3. In the matrix A, there are 3 rows and also there are 3 columns. The number of columns is 3 and number of rows is also 3. That's why matrix A is a square matrix. That's why you can find easily determinant of matrix A. So now find determinant of matrix A. So here I shall write determinant of matrix A equal to date elements of first row 1 sin theta 1 minus sin theta 1 sin theta minus 1 minus sine theta, here write 1. This is date. So what we'll do in this case, I am going to expand this date along first row. So here I shall write expanding the determinant along R1. I shall get date equal to here plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. The here write minus 1 raised to the power. If I take the element 1 here, so since 1 is there in first row and first column, for first row I shall write here 1 and for first column I shall write here 1 and get the, and this element will be written here write plus 1 and get the minor of plus 1. Since 1 is there in first row and 1 is there in first column, the first row and first column will be hidden. We will get the minor of plus 1 as 1 sine theta minus sine theta 1 we will get. And here write minus plus minus 1 raised to power. If I take the element sine theta, so sine theta is there in first row. For first row I shall write here 1 plus and sine theta is there in second column. For second column I shall write here 2. In bracket I shall write plus sine theta. Now get the minor of sine theta. The sine theta is there in first row and second column. The first row and second column will be hidden. First row and second column will be hidden. You get the minor of sine theta as minus sine theta minus sine theta minus 1 plus minus 1 raised to power. Here 1 is there. So 1 is there in first row. For first row I shall write here 1 and this 1 is there in third column. For third column write here 3. Here plus 1, write here plus 1. Now get the minor of plus 1 here. Since this one is there in first row and third column, the first row and third column will be hidden. You will get the minor of plus 1 as minus sine theta 1 minus 1 minus sine theta. This thing you will get. Now simplify this one. Determinant of matrix A equal to, here minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1 comes out here 2. Minus 1 raised to power 2 comes out here 1. 1 will plus 1 will multiply to plus 1 comes out here 1. And here the minor determinant. The elements of principal diagonal are 1 and 1 will multiply together. So here I have opened curly bracket. 1 will multiply to 1 minus the elements of reverse diagonal will get multiplied together. Sin theta will multiply to minus sin theta. Elements of principal diagonal 1 and 1 will multiply together. Minus that is fixed here, and elements of reverse diagonal will get multiplied together. Sin theta will multiply to minus sin theta. Here you will get minus 1 raised to power 3. 1 plus 2 comes out to here 3. So here you will get minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied to plus sin theta comes out to here minus sin theta. Here I shall write minus sin theta. It is okay. Now open here curly bracket and elements of principal diagonal minus sin theta and 1 will multiply together. So we will get here minus sin theta 1 will multiply minus. Here minus is content, and also the elements of reverse diagonal will get multiplied together. So here write minus 1, here write sin theta. Curly bracket will be closed. And here you can see plus, here minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 3 comes out to here 4. Minus 1 raised to power 4 comes out to here plus 1. Plus 1 will multiply together, will get here 1. And here I shall write plus, open here curly bracket, and elements of principal diagonal minus sin theta will get multiplied to minus sin theta. So here write minus sin theta minus sin theta. Elements of principal diagonal minus sin theta will get multiplied together. Minus, and elements of reverse diagonal minus 1 will multiply together. So here write minus 1. Now do the operation next. Next here I shall write date equal to, open here curly bracket, minus, 1 will multiply to 1 comes out to here 1, and this minus will multiply to minus comes out to here plus. I here get sin square theta. Sin theta will multiply to sin theta comes out to here sin square theta. So here you have got 1 plus sin square theta. Curly bracket close. And here write minus sin theta. Open here curly bracket. Minus sin theta will multiply to 1. Comes out to here minus sin theta. And here minus will multiply to minus. Will comes out to here plus sin theta you will get. Curly bracket close. Minus sin theta will multiply to 1 comes out to here minus sin theta. Minus will multiply together, will get here plus sin theta will get. And here also plus, open here curly bracket. Minus sin theta will multiply to minus sin theta. Here you will get sin square theta. Minus sin theta will multiply to minus sin theta. Minus sin theta will multiply to minus sin theta. It comes to sin square theta. Here minus 1 will multiply to 1 comes out to here minus 1. Minus comes out here plus. So here we will get plus 1. This thing will get. Now do the operation here. Here minus sin theta plus sin theta will be cancelled out. Here you get 0. And here I shall get determinant of matrix A comes out to here 1 plus sin square theta. Here minus sin theta multiply to here comes out to 0 plus 1 plus sin square theta will get. Implied that Here 1 plus sine square theta minus sine theta multiply to 0 plus 1 plus sine square theta. It comes out to here. Determinant of matrix A comes out to here. Here plus 1 will be added to plus 1. Here will be 2 plus sine square theta comes out to here 2 sine square theta. Here you will get this one, you will get 0. Now here we have got determinant of matrix A equal to 2 plus 2 times of sine square theta. This thing we have got. Now what to do next? Next, here you can see this identity is there. The given identity, here I shall write, the given identity, the given identity is 0 less than equal to theta less than equal to 2 pi. This is the given identity. So here I shall write, we know that, here I shall write, we know that the range of sine theta is close interval minus 1, 1, close interval. We know that the range of sine theta is close interval minus 1 comma 1 close interval. This can be written as minus 1 less than equal to sine theta less than equal to 1. We know that the range of sine theta is close interval minus 1 comma 1 close interval. This can be written as minus 1 less than equal to sine theta less than equal to 1. But here you can see identity, this one is there. This, on basis of this identity, I can write implied that 0 less than equal to, on basis of this identity, I can write 0 less than equal to, and here you can see sine square theta is there. So you have to be in consideration with determinant of matrix A, the value we have got this one. So here sine square theta is there. So here I can write very well sine square theta less than equal to 1. This thing we have got. So what to do? You have got here new identity here. 0 less than equal to sine square theta less than equal to 1. So what to do next? Next, I have to get this one from this one. This is the identity I have established with the help of given identity and the range of sine theta. This one, the given identity, and this one, and range of sine theta is this one. With the help of these both, I have established this identity with respect to determinant of matrix equal to 2 plus 2 sine square theta. So what to do here? Here I am going to do operation here. Implied that here I can write implied that here 1 less than equal to 1 plus sine square theta length is equal to 2. 1 less than equal to 1 plus sin square theta less than equal to 2 you have got, because if you add here 1 plus 1 comes out here 2, here sin square theta, if you add here 1 you will get here 1 plus sin square theta, you will get here 1. So this thing you will get. Now what we have to do here? Now establish the identity here, imply that here I can write very well. If you take here 2 as a common, so we will get here 1 plus sin square theta. So now what we will do here? Multiply. 1 will multiply to 2 and 1 plus sin square theta will multiply to 2 and 2 will also multiply to 2. So here you will get 2 less than equal to 2 times of 1 plus sin square theta less than equal to 2 times of 2 comes out to here 4. So here I can write very well, imply that 2 less than equal to, bracket will be broken when 2 will get enter inside. So 2 will multiply to 1 comes out to here 2 plus 2 will multiply to sin square theta, so we will get here 2 sin square theta less than equal to 4. This thing we have got. 2 less than equal to, in bracket 2 plus 2 sin square theta bracket close less than equal to 4. Minimum including 2, maximum including 4. So you can write very well this term, this whole term 2 plus 2 sin square theta comes out to determinant of matrix. So here you can write, hence determinant of matrix A belong to 2 less than equal to, this means that here close interval will come 2 comma here less than equal to 4. So here you will get 4 and this will become closed interval. So here you have got, hence determinant of matrix A, belong to closed interval 2 comma 4 closed interval. So this will be the correct answer you have got here. Determinant of matrix A belong to closed interval 2 comma 4 closed interval. So this means that option, which option is correct? You can see here, this one is not correct, this one is also not correct. Open interval, open interval, open interval, open interval, and here nothing is there. Here you have got closed interval. So this means that option D, hence the option D determinant of matrix A, ZE, belong to closed interval 2 comma 4 closed interval is correct answer. This means that the option D is the correct answer. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 19 Miscellaneous exercise chapter 4 determinant NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.